Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome back. I am glad you are continuing this journey of self-discovery and personal growth. Each episode of this workshop is designed to take you one step closer to understanding yourself better, strengthening your mindset, and unlocking the potential that already exists within you. Remember, personal development is not an overnight change. It's a continuous process of reflection, learning, discipline, and conscious improvement. As you watch this episode, I invite you to listen not only with your ears, but with your mind and your heart. Think about your own life, your habits, your fears, your strengths, and your dreams. Because real transformation begins when learning turns into self-awareness, and self-awareness turns into action. Let's continue this journey together. Welcome to today's episode of Discover Yourself, Unlock Your Hidden Potential. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are in the workshop of Personal Development Academy. The first workshop, Self-Awareness and Personal Growth. Discover yourself, unlock your hidden potential, understand who you are, lead who you can be. And today is the third episode. Self-awareness has 4 pillars. The first pillar is that of values. Our core values. Values are your internal GPS. Values guide your every decisions, even when you are unaware of it. Values are the fundamental beliefs and ideals that guide an individual's or group's actions, decisions, and overall sense of purpose. Values are the fundamental beliefs and ideals that guide an individual's or group's actions, decisions, and overall sense of purpose. They represent what is considered important, worthwhile, or desirable, acting as an internal compass for behavior and priorities. So your values represent what is considered important, worthwhile, or desirable, and it acts as an internal compass for your behavior and priorities. What is the importance of values? They are important for guidance and decision making. Values help people determine what is right or wrong, important or unimportant, providing a framework for making choices in all aspects of life, from careers to relationships. So when you say that this action is right and this is wrong, that task is important, that is unimportant, this is my choice, this all is determined by your values. So they are integral component of guidance and decision making of yours. They give you identity and purpose. They are central to personal identity, shaping one's character and defining the person one wants to become. Living in alignment with personal values contributes to a sense of meaning, purpose, and life satisfaction. So all these are determined by values, by your values. They are important for behavior and relationships. Values influence how individuals interact with others, fostering healthier and more stable relationships when aligned with those of friends, family, or colleagues. They are important for motivation and resilience. Values provide motivation to achieve goals and help individuals bounce back from setbacks by offering a sense of direction during difficult times. So, the another significance of values, importance of your values is motivation and resilience. What are the types of values? This is important. Personal values. They are values which are personal and they relate to individuals' personality development, such as integrity, honesty, and trust. Then there are cultural and social values. These are the principles shared by a community or society that establish what is considered fair or just within that group: equality, respect for diversity. Then there is terminal values. Desirable and state of existence are ultimate goals that individuals strive to achieve, such as happiness, self-respect, or professional excellence. And then there are instrumental values. These are the preferred methods of behavior or character traits, for example, ambition, courage, discipline, that are useful as a means to an end or in achieving terminal goals. So all these are the different types of values. And there are intrinsic and instrumental versus instrumental. Some values like love or truth have worth in themselves, these are the intrinsic, while others like ambition are a means to an end, and these are instrumental values. So, different types of values. For example, accountability, considering yourself as accountable. Then authenticity, this is another value. Then community, compassion, courage, creativity, fairness, family, freedom, generosity, growth, honesty, integrity, and justice, kindness, and loyalty, openness, and respect, responsibility, and trustworthiness. All these are different types of values. Just reflect on yourself. What are 3 core values of yourself? So, as we come to the end of today's session, I want you to pause for a moment and reflect on one simple question. What did I learn today about myself? What are my 3 core values? Because real learning does not end with listening. It begins when you apply these ideas in your daily life. Remember, personal development is not about perfection. It is about progress. Small changes repeated daily create extraordinary transformation. Take today's message with you. Observe your thoughts. Improve one habit. Strengthen one quality. And take one step closer to your true potential. In our next episode, we will continue exploring deeper dimensions of self-awareness, mindset, and inner strength. Until then, believe in yourself, stay committed to your growth, and never stop becoming better than you were yesterday. Thank you for joining me. This is Professor Javed Iqbal FAROOQI, and this was the 3rd episode of Discover Yourself, Unlock Your Hidden Potential. Take care. Khuda Hafiz.